How to turn on low power mode in Fortnite. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to turn on the low power mode so that you can protect your device from lag, battery drain, or Fortnite running slow on your device, here's how you do it. Launch open the Fortnite game on your device. Once you're inside this lobby page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon or your avatar at the top right corner. From this expanded menu, select the gear button at the top. Once you're inside this page, go ahead and select the Allow Low Power Mode option and tap on the arrow right next to it to switch it on. Now click on Apply at the bottom right to save the change. Once you turn on the Allow Low Power mode, this will reduce graphic quality slightly but helps save battery, reduce heat, and improve performance on low-end devices. So there you have it. That is how you can easily turn on low power mode in Fortnite. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.